Hey everybody, welcome to Villa Veneto. Today we'll be touring the Palermo floor plan. It is 833 square feet. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and this particular unit is renovated. Let's go take a look. As soon as you walk in, you will be introduced with your own personal garage area, the convenience of your own unit. We'll head up the stairs to be introduced to your living room, as well as a dining room space, which leads directly into the very nice balcony area. We will then come to the kitchen. Standard appliances, refrigerator, microwave oven, and your dishwasher here. Let's make our way into the hallway, where you'll be introduced to your bedroom, which comes with your own walk-in closet. Back into the hallway. Our units come with your very own built-in washer and dryer. And the hallway also includes another closet. Here we have the bathroom area. So there you have it. That is our renovated hard surface flooring Palermo floor plan. For more information, please check the details in the description below. Again, this is Villa Veneto's Palermo floor plan. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for touring.